In this video guide, I will show you how you can use Brave browser on your smartphone, and you can earn crypto assets by just navigating on the web or doing what you usually do with another browser with your smartphone. And thanks to this browser here, which is called Brave, and we already talked about this in other video guides, you can earn these crypto assets. Now, what you can do with these crypto assets is just create a wallet, and when you reach a particular limit, you can withdraw funds and you can use them to buy and sell cryptocurrency using a crypto wallet. And also, you can send them, for example, in other platforms, and you can basically invest. Or you can also give them to some websites that you want to support. So I will show you everything in just a minute. So the first thing here, you can see it's the version on the desktop, and this is the version here on the smartphone. Now, to install the smartphone version, just go to the Play Store as usual and search for Brave. And it's pretty easy, but I will show you for those of you who are can find difficulty in this. So you can just download here with this green button, and then when it's downloaded, you can open it up like that. Okay, so you will have some information here. You can start to navigate as usual with like any other web browser. So I can click down here. I have the home page button. Let me make this bigger for you guys. So there you go. So I can also write a address at the top here. So I will type one of my websites, which is iDesign Wiki. It's a website about design styles and the site orders. And you can see here I am looking at an advertisement right here. So if I scroll down, I can see the actual article. So this is one of my website, and if I see the advertisement, then I will get rewarded by Brave browser. And I will show you how to set everything up. Now, the first thing also you may want to do is to block the advertisement. So if you press here on this little lion head, you can actually insert a shield. So you will not see any advertisement anymore, but this is also gonna give you less rewards. So I will switch it off. So this works like an ad blocker basically. Okay, and then I have this other triangle here. This triangle is the representation of the BAT. Now you will earn BAT just by navigating on this website or any other website that you usually do, for example, with Google Chrome or with Safari or any other browser. So if you use Brave, you're gonna get rewarded, and this is something different from the other browsers. You get rewarded in BAT, which is a crypto asset, and as I told you before, it's based on blockchain, so it's kind of a cryptocurrency itself. And once you reach 15 BAT, you can then withdraw and send them to perhaps another application when you can do some trading. And again, I will talk about this later on in the video. Now, you can see I have 0 BAT here, but let's say that I had, for example, 10 BAT. Then I can decide if I want to support this website here. Now, this is my website, so if you support it, please explore it. And if you like it, if you want to support it, you can send a tip, or you can also send a monthly payment. You will find everything here. You can see here, you can click and say, okay, I want to send a tip one time or monthly. You will find all the information here, and you can click here to send your BAT reward. Okay, now let me go back. And so these are the two main settings here. Now, if you want to get to the to all of the settings of the browser, you click on these 3 dots down at the bottom, and we will access the overall settings. So the history, download, and all the other stuff that you usually found in other browser as well. So if we go in the settings, now this is in Italian, I'm sorry, but I will click here. It's settings, the little engine icon. Okay, now you need to find here where you will find the Brave reward. So in the advanced, you should find a Brave reward. So you click here and make sure that you turn this on. Okay. All right. And then I also suggest you synchronize your browser with the one that you usually use on the desktop. So you have, when you have everything synchronized, all the earnings, all the information, they will be synchronized as well. Okay, so this is basically how it works on your smartphone. I think there will be some future development for this, but this is how it looks right now. And now if I exit the full screen mode, I will show you now a little bit about the web part. So you can see here, again, when I can synchronize also from here. I can go to the settings. Now these are in English, so it's better for you. So you can see I have a sync section here where I can synchronize everything, and I can also go to this little triangle. These are the Brave rewards. So if I click here, again, I can activate or deactivate these rewards, and I can also activate auto contribute. This will be an auto founding of other websites that I usually visit. So if I turn this on and I visit many times Wikipedia, for example, this is going to give Wikipedia an auto contribute. It's going to take this from my wallet. So right now, if I activate this, it's going to automatically take funds here and give it to the website that I use the most. It's kind of an automatic contribution. But you can read everything and know everything just by looking at this information here. Again, you can give tips, you can give monthly contributions, and you can review them here. You can find the same icons that you find on the smartphone also here. So with the Brave and the Brave icon, the little lion, and the triangle here representing the baht. Okay, so let's say that you've reached 15 bahts. This is the minimum that you need to have to withdraw your funds. Okay, let's say that you reach 15 baht. Then you have two options. You can give these bahts to other website to support them, or you can withdraw them using Uphold Brave wallet. So to do this, you cannot do that before you reach 15 baht. Now, once you get your bahts, and you can be able to withdraw them, or you can be able to send them, you can, for example, use Coinbase, which is one that we usually use. So if you go in our YouTube channel, you want to use Coinbase as well, or Binance, please use these links at the top or in the About page. You will find these links. So let's open up Coinbase, for example, but you can do the same thing in Binance and other platforms. Okay, so in Coinbase, you will, let's see the prices. And among all the other prices here, you can check, you can search for, let's search for baht. And you can see this is the basic attention token, the baht that Brave uses. So you can basically buy and sell baht. So if you sell your baht here, you can then buy, for example, Bitcoin or Dogecoin or Ethereum or wherever. So it's again based on the blockchain system. And if you want to know more, please check our other video guides about this topic. You can go in the videos page down at the bottom, all the way to the bottom, and search for financing video guides. Sorry, this was the video page. Go to the playlist page. At the bottom, you will find here English video guides. Search for financing video guides. And if you want to know more about a particular topic, you can just use the search here. For example, let's search for Coinbase, and you will find a guide about Coinbase. Now you're gonna find always two guides, one in English and one in Italian, so make sure that you found the correct one. Also, if you want to know more about NFT or crypto assets or tokens or Ethereum, MetaMask, and other topic, this is an excellent video guide here. So just search for video guide NFT market trade, and you're gonna find here this video guide. So just type NFT, where you can find all video guides about NFT, about blockchain, about Bitcoins, and so on and so forth. So this will be all for this video guide. Again, if you can, please subscribe or join if you want to support us, and send us your questions or your suggestions. Anything useful will be appreciated. So thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.